The story of Abel and Baker began in the late 1950s when the world was just starting to explore the mysteries of space. These two curious monkeys were chosen for a very important mission by scientists. They were trained and prepared for a historic journey that no other animals had ever embarked upon before. Little did anyone know that these two brave monkeys would play a significant role in shaping our understanding of space exploration. The day arrived when Abel and Baker were launched into space, soaring through the Earth's atmosphere and venturing into the unknown. They experienced something that no other living beings had experienced before, and their journey provided crucial information about how living creatures could survive in the vastness of space. Their bravery and resilience paved the way for future space explorations and taught scientists valuable lessons about the possibilities of space travel. Abel and Baker's journey didn't just end with their safe return to Earth. Their incredible mission left a lasting legacy in the world of space exploration. Scientists learned so much from their voyage, and the data gathered from their journey contributed significantly to the advancements in space technology and our understanding of the challenges of space travel. Their bravery and contribution to the world of space exploration were celebrated, making them symbols of courage and pioneering spirit in the history of space travel. Even today, Abel and Baker's story continues to inspire scientists and dreamers alike, reminding us that with determination and courage, we can reach new heights and conquer the unknown. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments which other incredible animal stories you'd like to explore. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more thrilling stories. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming big. See you soon.